How to fix TikTok search problem. Hello guys, in this short tutorial I'm gonna show you 3 ways to fix TikTok search problem. So the first way is very simple. Just go to Play Store and search for TikTok and then click here on update to update the TikTok app. This is the first way. The second way is just open the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks, and then turn on the airplane mode and disable it again, and do the same thing with the Wi-Fi. Enable it and disable it again. The third way and the last one is just go to the apps, go to TikTok. This is the app information page. All what you have to do here is click on this force stop option, and that's it. Now restart your phone and reopen Instagram. That's it guys, I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end.